There are 10 things that everybody needs to start their kitchen and begin cooking for just every day. And you won't believe it, but this is it. These 10 items, and that's all you need. You need liquid measuring cups. I love these from OXO. They're the coolest things. You can see from the top the measurements, and they come stacked like this. It's great. This is the smallest one. The set comes in 3, and it goes all the way up to a 4 cup. You're not going to need it any bigger than that. And then there's the dry measures and your spoon measures. Be sure to get a good set because you want to keep these for a really long time. There's no reason to replace them. A good vegetable peeler. I like the Wise. This one's from OXO. Easy to handle, easy to grip, easy to move around. You need your 8-inch to 10-inch chef's knife. I always talk about this. This is your workhorse in the kitchen. You need that to start. A big spoon because you need a large spoon to cook with. A wooden cooking board. Now the thing that some people don't understand is wooden cooking boards are the best for vegetables, not for proteins, unless you're going to be very, very careful about the way you wash them and clean them. This is a porous product. Wood is a porous product, so you don't want anything from raw chicken, fish, meat into there unless you're very careful about the way you clean them. The plastic cutting boards are the ones you use for your raw proteins. 10-inch skillet, stainless steel. It's your workhorse in the kitchen. 5-quart to 8-quart stock pot, soups, chilies, stews, all kinds of things. Definitely a rimmed sheet tray. Need one of those if you're making cookies, if you're roasting vegetables, putting out sliced bread and making croutons. It's great. And something you may not think of, a sieve, a fine mesh sieve. This is a 6-inch. It should be your first size. You can rinse beans and rice and even pasta in here. Great for scooping out blanched vegetables that you have blanched in your stock pot. That's all you need.